Jericho, ipinadama ang buong pagmamahal sa kaarawan ni Janine, actress, nag-I love you sa nobyo. Wala na ngang makakapantay sa nararamdamang kaligayahan ng Asia's rising star na si Janine Gutierrez sa piling ng nobyong si Jericho Rosales. Nagkaroon nga ng pagbati ang aktor sa dalaga. Currently on a beautiful road trip with a birthday girl at Janine Gutierrez. But here's an update. The weather is very nice and she is very happy. Agad-agad naman itong sinagot ni Janine. Ha 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 ha. I love you, Baba. Thank you for today. Bumaha naman ang pagbati ang naging post na yon ni Echo para sa nobya. At Janine Gutierrez, enjoy South Africa. And happy birthday, beautiful. At Janine Gutierrez, happy birthday. At Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales, Baba, where you na? At Jericho Rosales at Janine Gutierrez, love you both. Happy birthday, ganda. At Janine Gutierrez, you two are adorable. Thrilled to see you both beaming with joy and making the most of your travels together. Here's to many more birthday celebrations filled with love and laughter. At Janine Gutierrez, happy birthday. Gandang bae. Happy birthday, Nini. Happiest birthday, Janine. May God bless you with all the love, happiness, and success. Wow! Happy birthday, Janine. Happy birthday, Nini. Always stay happy. To my most favorite actress of all time, and who is your Baba in real life. May she have the happiest and most amazing birthday. May she light up and inspire. Lots life like she's always does. Oh, so happy for both of you. Happy birthday, Nini. Love, 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 love you. Happy birthday, beautiful Nini at Janine Gutierrez. Here's to an incredible birthday, Janine. May your day be as bright and beautiful as you are inside and out. Enjoy every moment at Janine Gutierrez. Eh di ikaw na, Janine. Happy birthday. Ang ganda. Happy birthday, Nini. Happy birthday. More blessings to come, Janine. My two favorite lovers. Happy birthday, Janine Gutierrez. Lovely couple. Road to forever. Well, kitang-kita naman at tila enjoy na enjoy si Janine sa naging road trip at naging birthday celebration nilang magkasintahan kung saan dumayo pa nga sila sa malayong lugar. Anyway, happy birthday, Janine. More birthdays and blessings to come and more projects na rin with Echo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.